Hi, this is Chef Sean Sherman with Indigenous Food Lab. I'm here to talk about a little project we have going on right now here in Minneapolis. Just a few weeks ago, we saw the murder of our community member George Floyd, which led to massive protests and riots and an intense destruction of a lot of our city infrastructure. So we decided to mobilize our kitchen and to help out our community with what we knew how to do best, which was serving healthy Indigenous foods. So for the past few weeks, we've been making 400 healthy Indigenous meals 5 days a week. And I want to show you what that looks like from our perspective. We just moved into the Midtown Global Market right on Lake Street in Minneapolis, Minnesota. And we're really excited to be able to use such a beautiful, large commercial kitchen with the sole purpose of creating access to healthy Indigenous foods for our community. We've been hard at work every day for the past few weeks, putting out so much food, and it's been a really exciting program. We've been able to purchase a lot of food from our local growers, a lot of our native producers. We've been making fresh hominy every other day, a few times a week. This is a 50-pound batch of blue corn hominy from the Bow and Arrow Corn Company out in Colorado. And it creates such a beautiful hominy. And we're really excited to be able to serve something so healthy on a daily basis out there. We've also been using hand-harvested Minnesota wild rice. This is all from Red Lake, Minnesota. We've been using lots of quinoa from a local producer, and it's really beautiful. It's mixed a few different colors. And we've also been able to purchase just a lot of fresh root vegetables from some of our local growers and just really help support our local food scene and local food system. I think it's so important, especially during this time of COVID, that we are able to support our local growers and get this healthy food out there to people that need it. It's going to be a tough year this year, and we just really want to do our part because there's going to be no shortage of people needing food, especially with all of the unemployment and the COVID crisis and all the destruction that happened right here in Minnesota. We'll let Alexis explain to our volunteers how to build these beautiful and healthy bowls that we're sending out.
This is going to have wild rice, hominy, white beans, quinoa, and it's tossed with our native pesto. That goes right in the middle. And then down to the next step, their animal protein today is diced turkey. And that's as level as a scoop as you can get on one side of the grains. Down to our roasted vegetables. This is usually pretty much always roasted with vegetables and onions. So a good sort of level scoop, as level as you can get it with the veggies. That goes opposite of the protein. The wojapi, this is a berry sauce. I'm gonna get a better container for this so it's a little bit easier. But that's a level scoop there. We'll go on one side here. And then opposite the wojapi is a seed mix. So these are pepitas, sunflower seeds, puffed wild rice, tossed with a little bit of salt. And that's a nice level scoop. Try not to have it too moundy. And that goes opposite the wojapi just so it stays dry. And then we go down to the greens. We'll just take a little handful of greens, just like that. And that goes right on top. We'll slide that over there.
This whole project has been made possible by a grant through Medtronic and our friends and partners at Minnesota Central Kitchen. If you would like to know any more about how you can help support us, you can always sign up for volunteer shifts with us as we do this throughout the summer. or visit our website at www.natifs.org, natifs.org. Pilamae and miigwech.